hope I spelled it out rightly. And I'm crossing another bridge. I will switch the screen to the opposite side and look how it looks here. So, looking. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Uno momento. Looky. And then maybe coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Here, yeah. Can you help just to touch here?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, you can give me your phone.
Yes, it's my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can also do one of mine also, yeah? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, sure. Gladly, yeah. Yeah. So I'm taking now a picture of this guy. I took 4, yeah. And now it's me dining here. This very delicious soup. Like this. Look how delicious it looks. All these herbs also inside. Gives super special taste. Very good. Look all these vegetables and fruit. Look at the carrots here. Look on that. That's incredible. What is this? Cucumber? Oh my god. Oh. Sorry guys that I'm speaking in 2 languages. Sometimes my thoughts are in my native tongues, or my mother tongues, like Polish and also German. So it's a mix of 3 common languages like Polish, German, and English. Yeah, it's cool. I like it here. Look at this chicken. Wow, a delicious chicken. It couldn't be fresher. Ah. Muy bien. Ah. Muy bien. Ah. She acts out like tattoo. Tattoos are not so popular here, so it's not so spreaded. So it's something unique in that country. So for me, I also wouldn't have a tattoo until my age of 36. But when I traveled through Mexico 1.5 years, or no, 1 year ago, spent there nearly almost 2 months. I was convinced by the art, by the graffitis, so colorful, and yeah, really, it's really art. So Mexico convinced me to make these tattoos that I've got. One on my shoulder, and also one on my calf. That on my shoulder is La Catrina, the Mexican symbolic for women's beauty. And on my cup I got El Charro Negro. El Charro Negro. It's a skull, Mexican skull, with a sombrero head. So I wanted to have something what it's not so often presented in Europe, or more it's more unique to for me. Um, that's why it is close to made it in Mexico. At this point, viva la Mexico! Me gusta la comida. México, comida. Saludos para México's gente. Gente. That's it. Oh. I'm going further. I think I'm coming closer to the point. Here it's about nothing. Many boxes of beer. I hear it's written. We got what we got? Sorry for the forums here to show what it is exactly. I don't know, it's named Chocolate Guangoy Tan Taran Chocolate Night Market. Birdies. Ah. Tuitan Dim to reach Kong Dong. That's where we are. Or here. Now I stumble nearly. Chok Kwang Goy. So going back. Hello guys, it's me again, Michael. I'm here at the Khai Thin Toms. Look at these stairs. I'm going up now. Wow, impressive statues. What an architecture.
I mandarini có penalità antica è molto basso, è molto piccolo sì. Quindi possiamo fare una sistema di piccolo, però
Now I'm here somewhere in the forest. My host brings me here. Exciting what will expect me here. As many times before I mentioned. There should be a river, he mentioned. Like a bunker. Ông đất đông. Like you mentioned, here is a river. Wow, these bunkers seems to be from the American invasion here in the 60s. Here we are. I forgot my mosquito spray. No matter. Now I'm here. Oh, nothing will bite me. So now it looks better. The beginning was more shocking. Oh, chickens. Many chickens. Pop, pop. Chickens and the greens. Small chickens. They are escaping. They are scared of me. So, I wanted to look.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay, come on.
Nhìn lại điện thoại đùa mà tìm được bán có tiền nữa đùa mà ngôi làm gì để hỏi
I had already, unfortunately. There. Come on. I'm yet. Oh, so delicious coffees here. Very good. The coconut coffee I drink. Very good. Come on. Kurde. Chicken. Dogs. Wow, many chickens. Look, the small one. They are scared. Xin chào. Oh. Mosquitoes bite me here, and I don't know where else. My feet, my biceps are itching all the time. It's horrible. Oh, how to go back? Oh, we got a ladder to go up to pick up some bananas, I think, or something else. For my feelings, or for my understanding, it's more humid than for our behaviors, for example, in Europe or also in other places. But that's it. I will survive, so it's not the first time that I have such an experience with the climate, with the weather, also with the nature. Like here. Once again, a beautiful view here on the river. Or on the, river. It's a river, not a lake. Never skip a leg day. Walk as much as you can, because when it will be too late, you will regret it that you haven't walked and discovered the places you want to see. Of course, it depends on your possibilities. But whenever you have the chance, make the most of it. That's how you can enjoy life, to see it from various perspectives and also various views. Whew. So I'm excited where to go next, where my Honda bike driver will take me, to which place with the circle of flowers. Sorry?
buy insect.
Oh, first, looky. Come on.
Souvenir.
Maybe I will look.
Yeah.
First, I'll take a look around. Come on. Of course, they want to sell here. I understand it totally. But first, I want to have a look around. Levantan is the guy who is showing me. He's showing me around this beautiful area of Hue in the middle of Vietnam. Xin chào. Looky. Yeah.
What's all insect?
Oh, looky.
Insect. Insect.
Ginseng.
Cinnamon. Sandalwood. Lemon drop. Jasmine. Pomelo.
Uh-huh.
It has smell.
So many things here. That's incredible. Ginseng. There's a salmon tree. Going back. To Levantan. Yeah, I don't know what it's exactly. I'll scan it. There's a QR code. Time. But there was a temple. I found a tiny place here with a beautiful gate, and look in front of me what there will be. So that's a small gate without an advice, but it's awaiting us here. But it looks great. It's like a house or something. Like that somebody's living here. I don't know. Don't want to disturb here somebody in his privacy. See seems like a private house here. Yeah. Beautiful entry. So that's where I'm leaving now. Bye bye. There's the end. So I get out of the area of the pagoda and now I'm here at the Buddhist cemetery. As you can see also in the background, there are many graveyards. Like this. Wow. That's Buddhist graveyard. Hyvin Indian. Oh yeah. Seems to be very old here. What is it? I know it's 1985. That somebody dies.